The best equipment for you is what you have in your hands right now. To hold the attention of an audience, you need content, not gadgets. So if you are waiting to have the perfect setup to start your channel, don't. Start today, now, with whatever you have in your hands. If you have already started and feel you need to improve the quality of your videos, here you will find the essential setup that will take you from a beginner to a pro. Before we start, we have some exciting news. To help you start your vlogging, we have something for you. We will be giving away this ring light to one of our subscribers. It's the perfect setup to start with, and it can be yours. So, give us a like, subscribe, and comment below. Tell us about yourself. What would be your channel about? We will randomly choose one of you and let you know by the end of July. Good luck! Welcome to another video of my review channel. Today, we will go through all the essential equipment you need to upgrade the quality of your YouTube channel. They will make your life as a vlogger easier. They will also save you money and a lot of recording time. Here, we will include all the best vlogging equipment that is essential and also a bit more and without breaking your bank account. Number 1. The camera, your best friend. At this point, you may have it already. If you don't, and you are looking to start under $300, check our review for the best 5 cameras for vlogging. Number 2. The microphone, a must-have. The most important tool after your camera is a good microphone. Your viewers need to hear you well. If they can't, they will walk away. And forget about them subscribing to your channel. Bad sound, no views, no followers, no channel. A good microphone has to suppress the background noise, and it needs to make your voice as clean as possible. One of the most popular microphones between YouTubers is the Blue Yeti. In general, mics from Blue are a common choice between YouTubers, but there are other great brands out there for USB and non-USB microphones. If you're looking for more choices on microphones, you should check our video with the best microphones for YouTubers. Just check the description below and you will find the link. Number 3. The lighting, from amateur to a pro YouTuber. No matter what kind of channel you have, if you want it to look professional, you will need to control your lighting. The 5 cameras we reviewed before, all under $300, can record high-quality video as long as there is good lighting. Investing some money in lighting equipment will dramatically improve your camera's recording quality. With less investment as compared to changing your camera, adding some light will change your videos from night to day, literally. Using good lighting will make you look better, and it gives your video a professional look, especially if you are recording from home. And the best thing is that you can build your own lighting equipment on a budget. You can get good lighting for free if you're lucky enough to have enough windows in your room. If you can control where you stay and record during the day, you can get along, but let's be honest, who records during the day? So, most probably you will need some help. For the basic lighting equipment, you have 2 options, a ring light or a light umbrellas kit, or both. Ring lights. This kind of lighting removes shadows with soft, even light, and its brightness lets your colors shine with purity. There are plenty of good options in the market for this kind of lighting. One popular choice is Neewer Ring Light Kit, 18 inches. It's maybe not the cheapest, but it's worth investing a bit. As we said, lighting will make your video quality improve dramatically. This light is dimmable, has the light stand and carrying bag. The hot shoe adapter is compatible with most DSLR cameras and a smartphone holder for most smartphones. Fill, key, and background lighting. The second choice is to have fill and background lighting. Even if you already have a ring light, you will also want more lighting to make your background brighter, since your face will be a lot brighter if you don't, causing background to look completely dark. Also, these lighting kits will let you record at night. You can combine this with a ring light or use it alone. One option on budget is the Photography Umbrella Lighting Kit by eMart. This set includes 2 tripods and 4 umbrellas, 2 white and 2 blacks. It's the perfect starting kit and will be enough for you, especially if you don't need to move it around and you use it primarily on your recording location rather than going out. If you are enjoying so far, please subscribe to our channel and check our YouTube and streaming playlist. You will have more reviews and advices on streaming setup, microphones, cameras, and more. Number 4. Backdrop. Let go on. If you want to give your channel a more serious, professional look, you will need a backdrop. It's not needed for all YouTube channels. Some people prefer showing their rooms in the background, and that's fine. It gives a more intimate look and helps to build relationship with your viewers. However, you may want to have a more formal look or use a green screen to introduce a background or texts in post-productions. If you only want the backdrop, maybe you already have lighting you can use for your videos. The Limo Studio Photo Video Studio AGG1112 is a good option. Or, if you are planning to buy the light, also you can consider some set that include the lighting kit and the backdrop. Number 5. Tripods. A tripod is essential most of the time you're recording from home, no matter if you have a camcorder, compact, or DSLR. And you will use it also if you go around or record in different locations. As you are not a professional photographer, a simple and affordable option would be enough. Here are some simple tripods that will work just for this job. The Amazon Basics 60-inch lightweight tripod. Getting the popular Amazon Basics tripod is the safest bet. It is light, cheap, and it comes with a bag to store it and carry it around. This tripod is more than enough if you just need it to record from home. You will need to get a sturdier tripod only if you plan to record outside. If you want a sturdier tripod, the following is a good option. However, if you want to vlog in selfie mode, you'll be better off with a tabletop tripod. Another option, or maybe you will need both, is a table tripod. The best thing about them is that they can also be used as a vlogging stick. For vlog recording, there are 3 very popular models: the SIRUI 3T35K, the Manfrotto Pixie Evo 2, and the JOBY GorillaPod. I like very much the JOBY GorillaPod SLR zoom with ball head. A GorillaPod is basically a compact tripod that is highly adaptable to different surfaces. As a vlogger, the best use you will give it is as a kind of vlogging camera stick for your DSLR, compact or mirrorless camera. If you have a DSLR and want to take it out, you will need at least a 24mm lens and a GorillaPod to be able to capture your face while holding the camera. GorillaPod are the most popular for vloggers. However, something you should be aware of is their size and weight. There are many models available, and if you have a DSLR, the GorillaPod you will need will be quite heavy. It can get tiring to hold such heavy equipment for a long time while recording. Extra remote shutter. So, we are almost done. One extra gadget you should have is an extra remote shutter. A remote shutter lets you start, pause, or stop recording your camera from a distance. They allow you to stay where you're at if you need to repeat a take. They make recording videos a lot easier, and you can find them for a really cheap price. The good thing is that you probably won't have to invest money in one. Most cameras come with Wi-Fi, which allows you to use your smartphone to control them. If your camera doesn't have Wi-Fi, you will need to get a remote shutter that works with your camera. You don't need to get one of the fancy that lets you change the shutter speed and the general setting of the camera. One that you can use to start and stop recording is enough. There are wired and wireless. You will need to choose one according to your needs and camera. A great and cheap choice is the Amazon Basics wireless remote control. Even though it says it's for Nikon, it also works with other brands, as long as your camera has infrared. It's the simplest and cheapest remote shutter you can find, and it works just fine. This is all for now. If you have enjoyed this video, please take a look at our YouTube and streaming playlist. You will have reviews and advices on streaming setup, microphone, cameras, and more. Click Show More in the video description to have the links to all products in this video with the best offers. We are looking forward to your comments to improve our videos. If you have any product you would like us to look into, just let us know. Our team of experts is always looking for new ideas. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.